So, you're looking for free games. I'm going to show you the best platforms where you can find various types of games right now. You can play for free with everything from AAA to indie games at your fingertips. Let's start with the most popular platform. Steam has the largest collection of permanently free games, including both AAA titles and indie games. Just head to steam.com. When you get there, scroll down until you see a list of games and a tab that says Trending Free. These are the current popular free games that everyone's playing. By clicking the free-to-play button at the bottom of the list, it'll take you straight to the main page of all the free games available. Right now, there are around 6,300 free games on Steam. You'll find free-to-play favorites like Counter-Strike 2. This game has one of the most precise shooting mechanics in any FPS, and a huge competitive scene where skill and strategy truly matter. Then there's Dota 2. It's huge in the esports world with international tournaments that offer million-dollar prize pools. Warframe is another great option. It lets you become a space ninja with some of the smoothest movement mechanics I've seen in any free game. The Sims 4 is also available free now. You can create virtual people, build them homes, and watch their relationships develop in this sandbox world. So just pick a game that catches your eye. After you've chosen, download the Steam installer, launch it, and let it install. Once it's done, the Steam client will pop open automatically. From there, just find the free games page and pick whatever game you want to try. Hit play, let it install, and you're good to go. And that's it. Enjoy your free gaming. But what if you could get paid games for free? That's where Epic Games comes in. Every week, they give away 1 to 3 premium games, and once you claim them, they're yours to keep forever. If you're looking for an easy way to build up a library of high-quality games without spending a dime, this is the place to check. And besides that, they have a library of free-to-play games too, such as Fortnite. This battle royale combines fast-paced building mechanics with shooting skills, creating a unique gameplay experience with a high skill ceiling that keeps players coming back. Marvel Rivals gives you the chance to play as your favorite superheroes in team-based combat with destructible environments that change during matches. Rocket League lets you play soccer with rocket-powered cars in one of the most unique and addictive competitive games around. Valorant combines precise gunplay with unique character abilities to create a tactical shooter that rewards both aim and strategy. To access them, just go to the Browse tab, then set the price to free in the side panel filter, and pick a game that seems interesting to you. And installing it is as straightforward as can be. Let's take Marvel Rivals as an example. Click Get, then sign up through various ways. And once you're inside, the game will be added to your profile's library. Then download the Epic Games launcher, save it, locate it, and run the installation. Go through the installation process. Once you're done with the install, the Epic Games launcher will open automatically. Then open the library tab and install your chosen game and have fun. Now, Epic is great for free giveaways, but if you're after different games that are small to medium size, then Microsoft Store has you covered. Here, you'll find small puzzle games like Hidden City, a chill puzzle game. World of Tanks is another option with its realistic tank combat that lets you command historically accurate vehicles from different eras. Asphalt Legends delivers high-octane arcade racing with stunning graphics and a huge collection of cars to unlock. Look for games that have their price tag as free and then pick what you like. And the install process is as straightforward as it can be. For example, let's take Roblox. Click the Get button, wait for the install to complete and launch it, and have fun. Now, if you're into online competitive games, Blizzard's Battle.net is another platform worth exploring. Microsoft offers some solid multiplayer titles, but Blizzard is known for some of the most polished online experiences. You can dive into well-established free-to-play games, such as Overwatch. This team-based shooter balances accessibility with depth through its diverse roster of heroes that each offer completely different playstyles. Heroes of the Storm brings together characters from across all Blizzard franchises into a more accessible MOBA that focuses on team objectives rather than individual farming. Hearthstone takes the complexity of collectible card games and transforms it into an approachable digital format with stunning animations and sound effects. And to get these games, just download the Battle.net launcher, install it, create a profile, and log in. Once you're inside, click the Games tab, and then click the Start for Free section. Here, most of these games are free to play. Just pick one, such as StarCraft, which is a classic. Select Play Now, install it, and enjoy. Though Blizzard has a strong lineup, when it comes to esports and competitive gaming, Riot Games takes it to another level. Riot has built an empire of free-to-play titles, all of which have massive player communities and continuous updates. Games like League of Legends. This MOBA pioneered the free-to-play model channel with cosmetic-only purchases and remains one of the biggest esports in the world with millions of daily players. Teamfight Tactics gives you an auto-battler experience where you build synergistic teams of champions that fight automatically once you position them. Legends of Runeterra offers a more generous card game experience where you can build a competitive collection without spending money through its regional reward tracks. To get them, first pick a game, sign in by creating a profile, download it and save it, locate the installation file and install it. It will install their Riot Games launcher. By logging in there, you'll be able to download all of their games. Just pick a game, install it, and have fun. Riot is all about competitive gaming, but what if you prefer classic, story-driven experiences? That's where GOG comes in. Unlike other platforms, GOG specializes in DRM-free classic PC games that you can download and keep forever. If you're into retro and old-school RPGs, this is where you'll find gems like Ultima 4. This groundbreaking RPG introduced a revolutionary morality system that influenced countless games that followed, and Beneath a Steel Sky offers a cyberpunk point-and-click adventure with a compelling storyline and hand-drawn backgrounds by comic book artist Dave Gibbons. To find other free games, simply go to the store page. In the side panel, set the price to 0, and here you can access all the games that are for free. There are a lot of DLCs, so filter what you pick. But for the ones that are complete games, such as Fallout London, pick it and click Checkout Now. Sign up for a new account. Then click Pay for your order, even if the game says it costs $0, and the game will be added to your library. There, download it and save it. Then look for the installation file, launch it, and go through the installation process. Sign in, and you'll find yourself inside GOG's launcher, where all the games can be accessed locally. This install was for the launcher. You still need to install the game itself. Once done installing, launch it and have fun. And if you're looking for something truly unique, itch.io is the place to go. This platform is a goldmine for independent games, many of which are completely free. From experimental projects to hidden gems, itch.io has a massive library of games you won't find anywhere else. Just click the free games section, and here you can access more than 1 million games. Pick one and play it in the browser or download it locally. Extract it and run it. You may get a warning about launching an unrecognized app, though it is up to you if you trust it. But it is fair to say that it is safe to launch games from itch.io. What more can I say? Just have fun. Since free game deals come and go, you might want to check Reddit's r/FreeGameFindings. This subreddit is constantly updated with the latest free game offers across all platforms, including time-limited giveaways that you won't want to miss. Check it out. New deals can pop up at any time, so it's worth checking in regularly to grab games before they're gone. So, those are some of the best free gaming platforms available right now. Keep checking back because new games go free all the time. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next video.